in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam, this is why I need.
Just came off the bus. Oh, that 4 stops. So I'm gonna get some snacks because I want some long. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if I told listen, I lost one of my freaking AirPods New Year's night. Cause baby, I had a time. But yeah, I don't know if he's when I got in the car, come out the car, got in the house. I don't know. But I know I lost it. Yeah, look where y'all going up, sir. Is that a cart or a basket? I'm not trying to shop crazy, man. Oh, I don't something else. You know, I'm trying to shop too much, but look a basket now go all I want. So I'm gonna buy probably like 2 pack of chicken or some type of meat. And we're here. I'm not gonna stay long in here. I would like a quick 20 minutes the most. I need to go to the one in Brooklyn though, because I need some ackee. Bye-bye. I want 2 cans of ackee. Real saltfish. Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can find some bear claws. I'm about to ask them if they got it here. I need that. I would say $10 for you know, let me know some grapes though. I'm not lie. Some big bag of grapes though. $3, is it worth it? They are big. I don't know. Let me see how much is the would I get anywhere cheaper? Blueberry. I have strawberries already. I don't want strawberries. Give me a chicken. I have grapes in a minute. I can put it in my smoothie. I do want to get dragon fruit, but the price they got this shit for is crazy. Oh, $3. That's not bad. And they big. It's huge. They usually have 2. This is 2 for $5. I'm not buying this. I'll come again another day. I'm not buying that. Did I buy it for $3 though? I haven't had a dragon fruit in a minute. Oh, papaya, $1.99 a pound. No, yellow watermelon. I don't want to travel with this though. I'm gonna ride it closer to my house. I don't want to travel with this. It's too heavy. That's going to be too heavy. The other dragon fruit over there, the yellow one, which is smaller, it's $8. Some people are wicked. What about the price? $8. That's crazy. And it's small. So stop. Why is it don't look so for $14? $14.99 a pound. So wow. And they all are hard up. They're whole. Ow. They're all bad. But no, it's too expensive, man. Damn. What was about it? That's like what? 9. And then either was 17 or 18. What's it? And then what? 3. 18. That's like $21 for 3 fruits. That's crazy. I don't got food stamps. Sure, if I have food stamps, I wouldn't mind. What is this? I don't know what this is. This is different. What's it called? Cocayo. Caco. I don't know. I'm saying it wrong. It's heavy. It looks like prune. Like the color of prune. I don't know. Can I get cabbage? I haven't had cabbage in a while. Can I get cabbage? I want cabbage. A small cabbage. Let's get cabbage. At Walmart is a couple cents less. That's not bad though. But I want some cabbage. Oh, they got this one right here. My thing also. Oh, look at the cabbage. 59 cents a pound. Yeah, let's get a small cabbage. Oh, this one's poking out to me. We're gonna get this one. She's pretty. Get a bag. I like their bags. They got handles. Oh, they got pearl onions. I never heard about pearl onions. Got the yellow one right here too. Golden one, I should say. I got the white one right here. Panda. Oh, Panda Farms. Oh, okay. I know I saw this before. What's the price of this? I would have get a bag of this one. I'm about to see how much it is. I don't see the price. What's this? Look. Thank you. Mommy, look at orange, but it's not. Sweet lemon, it says. I don't smell nothing. So I don't know. I want some yellow yam. What yellow yam's expensive, man? Jesus, $4.99 a pound. I wouldn't buy one how much food. A little piece, yeah. How's the price? Expensive, man. Okay, one little piece. And this, it better not be a lot. The breadfruits. $4.99 a pound for breadfruits. I don't want that right now. Get some chicken. I feel like I'm gonna get a pack of leg and wings. I feel like I don't want to buy too much. Oh, look at it. The wings is $13. I don't like how they look. Why do they look like that? I don't know. They got big croissants, large croissants. But look what I found. Look what I found. Almond croissant. Oh, and it's $4.50 for two. I'm gonna get any. What's this? Oh, I never saw this. Oh, it's in a container. Brown bread. I never saw this. That's different. Let's see if we got that. I'm looking for croissant. I mean, the bear claw. Oh. Nope. Is this the mixed berries inside? Nope. Nope. I'll stick to my almond croissant. Call it a day. Yeah, this supermarket is huge, so I gotta go around. Look how much they said they poached before. The rotisserie chicken. Walmart got it for like $6.99, $5.99. They be doing too much. That's supermarkets. I mean, no bear claws. Excuse me. Do you sell bear claws? Bear claws. Bear claws. Bear. Yeah, it's a pastry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Thank you. Oh, you don't know what I'm talking about? Okay, look at this one, cappuccino cake. Oh, got a cornbread, y'all. They got big cornbread in here for $4.99. Oh, this is huge. It's crazy because I was gonna go to I was gonna bake one yesterday, but I have a container. This blueberry pound cake. I can make my own cakes. That's what I'm gonna do. Make my own cake. I'm not buying no cake. No, not doing that. I'll put my card to the side. Hold on. The banana nut muffin. It's so. It looks really good, and this is the pistachio one. But I'm gonna make. If I'm eating cake, I'm trying to make that stuff, make it myself. So I can put my little twist on it, so it could be healthy somewhat. I want to ask somebody back here if they sell it, but they busy. Look at that cake! Oh my god! Yeah, this would be a nice birthday cake for me. Oh, you know what? Ooh, the price. It's cool. I will get it for my birthday though, because yeah, they got nice cakes in here. What's this? It's so good. Small cannoli. Oh, cannoli. Oh, it's a flan. It's a flan cake. This look kind of good, but I don't know if I would like that. This is like a consistency where just melt in your mouth. Both of them. Oh, and you got the small fruit tarts. Oh, it's so cute. I need to know how to make these stuff. So I saw the parquet, but I've been looking for at Walmart for so damn long. But look, and then I look at this one. I can't believe it's not bought it, but the sodium is 90. So I'm gonna stick to this one because I don't like butter when it's salty. I feel like butter should taste like butter. This one is so much. 90, it's 92. All right, so yeah, we want to stick to the parquet. Hey, how much is the Country Rock? This is one I usually buy from Dollar Tree, but they don't even have it no more. They have it in the box. Let's see something. These sodium. Okay, I'm gonna get to my parquet. I love how parquet tastes on bread. Oh my god. Yeah, we're not getting no donuts. I do that. Hey, egg price is not bad. Well, wait, how much is 18 count? That's not bad. The price not bad. This one is organic eggs. Cage free. See, cage free eggs. That's a good price then. For $8.49. And it's 18 inside. Oh, this is nice. Okay. It's cute. Cute little box they got going on. I cannot wait to taste these. I know this is gonna taste so good. The almond. Okay, let's go to this Caribbean section and get out of here. Get some seaweed. They got different varieties right here, so I'm gonna get these because the one in the pack is just one flavor. Alright, chili lime. I'm gonna get one of each. Yeah, maybe not the sea salt. Let me get the teriyaki and avocado oil. Wait, the chili lime is 2 something? Yeah, I'm putting that one back. Hold on. Jeez. Nope. Keep it. I'll put some chili on it. Alright, now we're going to the sea salt one then because he's bugging. Found village. I don't know why. Every time I come here, it's so hard for me to find this. So annoying. Alright, what's the coconut water? Not coming some. You know, check out something there. Oh, black seed. What is this? Moringa living bitters. I think I still have moringa tea. So maybe you're gonna get that. You know, I'm sorry, buy me knife all. No, no man, if I buy me, no, if I buy me. Curry paste. I'm gonna get 2 of this. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of this. Yeah. Alright, cheesies. These some of them have the they don't have it. Okay, nice. I don't have the banana chips I want. So we're going to take to the cheesies. Into the price of cheesies better. Alright, no, I buy 3 because I'm not pissing off. I'm not buying so much. The last time I came here, I think it was like 79 cents. Or maybe it was at that price. Or maybe I wasn't looking. I don't know. But I saw they don't have the small bag of not buy the big bag of St. Mary, you know. Should I get it? Get 1 bag? No, but it's an extra crunchy one I want. I need something to eat right now. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, I didn't eat nothing. All I had before I came out the house was I get 2 weeks. All I had when I come out the house was friggin' chlorophyll water. That's all I ate. I'm hungry. And I was like, I was about to be 12 o'clock right now. So I guess you would call this a little fasting. I don't know. Yeah, it is. Yep. But where the tea bags at? Oh, it's right in front of me. I'm bugging. Oh yeah, ginger lemon is $5. We're going to stick to the ginger mint or regular ginger tea. Which one? I think I stick to the ginger. I kind of like mint tea though. You know what? I'm gonna stick to the chamomile herbal sorrel green tea and mint. I don't have no more green tea though, do I? I don't. So the green tea and mint, that's a good one. I was on some with ginger. I just have to have something with ginger. So should I get 2? I was about to get this one, but because I want to support my people, we're gonna get this one. Let me see. Should I'm not understand why this up. Maybe just put lemon in my tea. No, not do too much. I'm just gonna get 1. Yeah, ginger. It's all gonna be ginger for me. Forget. I always need another one though. I thought I should get the green tea and mint. Yeah, we're gonna get this too. These 2 for the day. And then I need a bun. You know what I'm gonna eat some bun? No, I want bun. $3.59 for bun now. And this no, no, we're not do that. I told her for bun now. Alright, see rice I want. $3 for rice. I get 2 of this. After I get 3. I think 2 should be hold me for a while. I have a national spice bun all the way over here and there's so much for. Wait there. You know that's every price. Oh, it's right here. $9.99. They don't have the white. They don't have the white one. I'm gonna get another one of this one. Sorry. Yeah. Curry powder. I'm not going to the other food bazaar because this one is. What bay leaves? They don't have bay leaves. Yuba grass. Oh, it's bay leaves here. I saw a video with bay leaves last night, so I'm gonna get it. I think I have. No, I don't. Oh, look at the white one right here. Okay, the jasmine one is right here. $6.90. Oh no. Oh yes, it's here. This one I was looking for. The other one. $2. I'm good on rice. You see? It's $3, $6, $9, $9, $12. Yeah. That's the cart. I don't know. Aki. Can I get Aki one? No Aki. Be a college woman, I say. They don't have no Aki. This is why I need to go to Brooklyn. See, I need to get you money. I'm gonna get you money one of these. Cause this is so good, y'all. This is so good. You need to try this. I have leftovers, so I'm not gonna buy one. But yes, yeah, the price is $5.99. I need to try it, right? Do I need seasons? I get upstairs season $3.89. No, I'm gonna go to the other food bazaar. Like I said, in Brooklyn, so I'm good. I need to go back to Union Bulgar. But the brown rice is good though. So this is the one I usually buy. This one. Is it this one? I don't remember the brand, but I know about from Food Bazaar. Or any, I don't remember the brand. Oh, got direct season over there too. I like the honey one. Spur tree, $4.49. I could just add honey. It don't matter, right? So let me just add honey. Oh, pineapple barbecue sauce, bro. Well, literally, you could just add pineapple juice. Like, I don't know why that fried me a while ago. Beef stew. Oh, they got a pork stew, man. Oh, where's pork stew? When pork stew come over there something? Okay. I just remember I need to get no crackers. I need crackers. Do I have coconut powder? Coconut milk, I should say. I don't know if I bought it from Lasco. Pineapple orange. This is different. Do I want to try this? Pineapple and orange Lasco. It's always the friggin' sugar for me. 23 grams of sugar, bro. All that. All that. I don't want that. Oh, that's spicy barbecue rub. Try. Product of Jamaica. Look how this Maggi is so expensive. They don't have the, and see this one don't have the packets. The last one I went, oh, I need this, Simal. I need this. I was slowing down on this because I need it for porridge. But yeah, I need it. I'm getting the vanilla. Oh, there's a big one at this. Oh, I thought I should get this big one. But no, it's because I don't make porridge like that. So that's why I don't feel the need to get the big one. What's your big one? This one, $5.99. And this is $2.59. Oh yeah, we'll stick to that one, yeah, because I don't make porridge every day. I mean, expire. Let me see when they expire. Let's see the expiration dates. Okay, that's not bad. August 2028. Okay, I'm gonna try with the big one right now though. I'll just buy what we need. Alright, cheese. Oh, cheese. Oh, Lord. This look a piece of something, yeah. And they don't have the bag cheese. That's what I'm saying. This place, bad enough, but it can't go on better. I made Mexican festival before from scratch, Like, should I do that again, or should I just buy it for $3 and try it? Because I made it from scratch already. I don't feel like that's one thing. I might be lazy to do that. Mango chutney. What do they eat this with again? What they do? I think it's Guyanese or chini. Oh, the chini thing. Okay, I don't know. It's a Guyanese or chini. It said chini on this, so I don't know. But sausage fritters. Like I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna make this. This is the one I usually see. The festival next. Was it Grace? I don't remember if it was Grace or another brand. Maybe it was Grace. What? And a fried dumpling. Who can make fried dumpling? I'll know. Please. Oh, they got a curry powder and chicken powder here too. I didn't even see these. I was pretty have seasoning. Hey, I'm not gonna try it. But why $5, yo? I'm back not to full. Yeah, I need to stop with these stuff. Yeah. One of these I'm gonna try it, I guess. Put my curry done. I'll come back here and get it. I have mackerel already. I don't need no mackerel. I really want callaloo though. Not callaloo, I have callaloo. Okay, but they don't have none. Alright, we out. Because we want to go to the other one and go get what I need. If I need seasoning, I'll go over there too. I get it from there, because I'm not about to buy nothing right now. I know I have enough inside to eat. So, sea salt. I need something to eat now. Oh, so this one is, garlic. Ew. I hate when I pick up stuff and I don't read it properly. I don't want no garlic thing. My mouth is going to stink. Alright, so I need some crackers. Butter crackers. No, what? They don't have Excelsior? No, they don't. Oh, man. I'm not buying this for $2. See, National Bright and Tasty. National Bueno. I don't like the cinnamon one. Oh, man. I know I'm picky. I don't care. Want. What is? Is it the Excelsior, please? So what the hell do I have all the way back? Hello. I'm not going to want this. I honestly like the big bag of Excelsior over the cream crackers, but the natural cream crackers taste good. I like it better than this one. So I'm gonna get two and I'm gonna stack. I'm just gonna like $60 this damn place. Food, man, food. All right, you know what? I'll put one in rice here. I don't want to though. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't want to. All right, now I will put one of these rice, one of these brown rice, or put back the white rice and keep the brown rice. But sometimes I want to eat rice curry, so I'm gonna put one of the white brown one and come back another day to get it. Or when I go to Brooklyn, you know what? I'm gonna buy one. But what if they don't have it over there? That's the thing. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my two. Peace. I'm not gonna. Yeah. All right. Yo, I don't want none of that tropical rhythm thing. I do need something to drink though. So you know what? I'm gonna get something to drink, but I'm not gonna. I don't want that. All right. Let me take out the garlic one. Should I put it back? The festival mix. So I'm happy about though, because the regular one, you know, take long to make. You know, you just. You know, I always make cornmeal. I use that because I could use a cornmeal for porridge. But it's not. It's not gonna make a lot. Hello, man. Put this back. I'm so indecisive. What is all back? Let me get this from. Right there, so. Hold on. Hold this on. Oh, you got fried chicken mixed with you? Oh wow. Okay. I make my own mix and make my chicken. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this part right here and come and go look for a drink and come back. Something simple. Couple cents. So I found the banana chips. What this? Look at this. This is like big here. Look. Hey, it's right here. We got all that here. Anyways, they got the green banana one. They got cassava. They got the sweet plantain one. This one I usually get from Walmart, but I want to try this one, sweet chili. And they got the St. Mary, but it's not extra crunchy because that's one I like. So I'm not even gonna buy that one. But we're gonna get this one and go. I'm looking for, but I saw these like guava, sauce up, and they got pineapple, but the sugar is crazy. 53 grams of sugar. Like, heck no, bro. I'm gonna take a lift to the house. They don't have what I want. I don't want that. Oh, wait. Drink aisle. Let's see what's in this aisle. I found the aisle I'm looking for. Okay. Let's see if they have what I want. These are the drinks I'm looking for. Maybe this one. I just want one. Like, is this one and the other one I'm looking for? The one that have the flavor drink. The flavor. Here they are. 190 for that one. This one's down. Oh, okay. I don't know. I mean, if I'm taking an Uber, I might buy some of those. So, I think those are more healthier than this one. It says 0 sugar, but it's sweet. They have sweetness to it. So you see, look, coconut grape, clear choice, sparkling water, 99 cents. I can put this back. Look at this one right here. They got ginger ale. Yeah, I'm gonna take a whole bone. Hold on. I need to see how much this lift is. It's crazy. When I said it's almost 12 and I said I was hungry, you know, it wasn't even 12 yet. It's just turned 12 o'clock. It's like 12:03 right now. How long ago was that? But anyways, I'm gonna go back around the drink aisle because I came from my cart. But I'm gonna get some of those drinks. I like those. And I'm gonna take an Uber home, like I said. So I'm gonna buy as much as I can. Waiting on the Uber. Really good. Not even spicy. I mean, you can taste it, but not spicy. I got Uber coming. Hold on.
Bring your dreams them to life, pretty girl. Bring it tight to me. You bring it tight to me.
Alright, so what was it? Sunrise, ginger tea, ginger green tea, tea, water, got drinks. If you look at drinks, I love sparkling water. Hey, today's January 12th. I just remember because I haven't vlogged in a while because I'm trying to get these old videos out. I'm posting a video today and I'm trying my best to not do long vlogs because the most I'll probably do like a 30-minute vlog because I'm tired of editing too much. Stick too much to edit. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best not to do long vlogs. I'm gonna try. So today, Bojangles open in New York today. But I see that they only do serve chicken tenders. Like, it just remind me of Raising Cane's. I thought they had chicken. Like, when I tried it, I did try it, 2021, back from Florida when I found out my mom passed. I didn't really enjoy the experience, but my son was hungry, and it was a connecting flight from Florida to New York. So, yeah. Listen, one thing about me, I'm gonna find the cheapest tickets. I don't care how close the destination is. It's gonna be cheap. So yeah, it was a connecting flight. I think it was Charlotte where we stopped at. I don't remember. I think it was Charlotte. It was in the airport. But yeah, you're right. It was going from it was coming from because I remember I was so not in the mood. Like, of course, you found out your mom passed. I was not in a mood, but my son was hungry, and I had tears in my eyes. I couldn't even enjoy the food because how heartbroken I was, and I just had to make sure my son eat though. And I had chicken. It was no tenders. It was actual chicken. So I don't know why they come here only serving chicken. Only serving chicken tenders. I see that they serve breakfast all day, and they have biscuits and rice too. So I'm gonna go try one day. I can't go today because I work today. I'm probably go in one day in a week. People saying it's not better than Popeyes. I don't think anything is better than Popeyes. Not even Jollibee's to me is better than Popeyes. I love Popeyes chicken. I've been eating Popeyes chicken basically years now. So, and I think it's my favorite fast food to eat other than Burger King. So I don't think any other chicken place is better than them. So, except for the KFC in Jamaica. That's the only place to it. I was talking in America though. But yeah, I just want to get this video out. I didn't end up posting on TikTok yesterday because I was editing all day. I started from Saturday and I was editing all day, and I was going to try. I even got up last night. I started cooking, I cooked some food last night, I started cooking around 12 something. I cooked some fried chicken, the jasmine brown rice that I bought from Food Bazaar. I cooked some stewed chicken. I had avocados. I have plantain. I have lettuce with it. I was not playing. I was hungry. I'm like, I'm eating tonight. I don't care what time is it. I'm cooking tonight. But yeah, because after I finished editing, I spoke to Kimani, and then I was here watching. It was an old movie I saw on YouTube. I forgot the name. It's called The Child Saver. With what's her name? Alfred Woodard or something like that. And Dion Richmond. What's his name? Jordan, that comes in Sister. And when he was younger, when he was 7 years old. It's a good movie I was watching it until I fell asleep. Because at first I was watching it in the living room, and then because I was eating while watching it, and then I think about 30 minutes after, I came in here, lay down, and then I fell asleep. Yes, but so I'm gonna I didn't finish watching it yet, but I'm tired. Listen, I just be here and I'm I'm so grateful for God. God, I just be showing God gratitude because the way God be blessing me is oh my God, thank you. I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful for him. Started out the new year right. But yeah, this is my year because I'm coming through with content. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. I'm coming through with content like crazy. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm doing because people like to hear your dreams and crush it, and it's not gonna happen. Keep your mouth shut when you're doing something because people don't like to hear what you're doing. They're all gonna try to tear you down. Anyways, I'm done talking. I'm gonna go back to watching TV, and I'm gonna actually start uploading the video on YouTube now. So later on, I'm not gonna have a problem with it. I watch it over and everything already, so I'm good. So yeah, later. Not me coming outside running, because I'm in my house, in my bed, laying down, and so I open Instagram because I was watching a movie. Open Instagram, see the New York money on thing, because the guy that be posting money, the guy that be posting money and recording it, and you got to figure out where the area is. Not them coming over my area. I'm like, hold on. They was in the freaking park, so I'm coming from the park. I'm like, damn. And it's crazy. I thought I was gonna go to the park earlier today, but when I was in the house, I feel like he posted it 20 minutes ago, and it took me like 10 minutes to get over here. So I was running. So I was like, Astoria Park. I'm like, hold on. Even before he showed the sign, I knew that was Astoria Park because I went there. And I'm like, damn. So when I went there, it was mad people. When I was walking through the path right here, I see somebody running over there, but I don't think he's the one that got it, because the comment said that some girls got it. Yeah, it was a guy that was running. I was like, damn. Like, people be really waiting for notifications. And I don't even have my notification on. It's just the fact that as soon as I open Instagram, it was right there in my face. The first post I see. But I'm like, oh my God, let's get dressed and went outside real quick. There's mad people out there. That's the first time I ever pop up at one of them stuff. Because usually they had another one in Australia like a couple weeks ago, or maybe last month. Yeah, last month, and I went down there. But when I was walking there, I'm like, oh, I even had to take the bus. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is too much. So at this time I was doing laundry, so I was like, I'm gonna go down there and see. But it was in a projects area close by, like going towards the F train. But I'm like, oh, after I came out the bus, I'm like, I don't feel like walking no more, and I turned back. But I'm like, at this point, somebody got it already. But damn, man, I'm so mad. But I saw this shit. But so a guy was out there, he was like, his friendly right there, and the friend didn't get it. So that's how quick, I'm just saying, that's how quick people be. Like, they got the notification on. So sometimes it's posted, and it's close by where they live at or where they at, they gone. Let me go. Let me see if I can get this. I didn't get it today, but I'm gonna get it one day. And it was a lot too. So he posted it today, January 12th. So the one that he posted, January 12th. If you watch the video, y'all see what I'm talking about. It was a lot of money. It was a lot of money, okay? I tried. It's okay. Another time. But it's cold though. I'll go back inside. Oh, child.
To the Cash Out Family of God, send it.
It's giving. I got Chick-fil-A at home. That's what it's giving. Yeah, that's brown rice under there, by the way. I use with the Sazon packet to cook it for the color. Yeah, we gonna eat it with some seaweed, because why not? Look at that. You will be waiting. Hey y'all, it is snowing. Today is January 17th, and I'm walking to do some errands. It's like after 1 right now. So I was supposed to go see my son today. But they called me like 20 minutes before 10 this morning, before I woke up, and told me that I saw this call from them. So I'm like, I called them back, and they were like, they said they're not working today. So I asked them if they were working tomorrow, which is Sunday, and they were like, yeah. So I was like, I'll switch it for Sunday. I love when it snows the very first time. That's it. After that, I don't like it no more. But I didn't, because it was snow. It was gonna snow today, and I'm like, when I woke up, I looked at the window. It was no snow at all. Until like I think it was an hour ago, I came out the shower because I was going outside, and I'm like, oh, it's snowing. So I didn't know it was gonna snow today. I had no clue. But it's cool. I'm gonna go tomorrow. But yeah, I'm walking to we're going to Dollar General, go to the market, we're going to the bank, we're going to Dollar Tree. We're back inside. But I'm gonna pick up the money to pay them people tomorrow. Because I was gonna do it at 42nd, but that could save me some time because I'm out here already. And where I'm going, the bank is close by anyway, so might as well just get it and done, right? Hold on, I feel like my socks is wet. I should have wear the black ones. I'll show you my boots. I should have wear the black ones because the black ones is leather and it'll go up. My boots. And I got my leg warmers on. You know what's crazy? When I came out here, I said, when I came downstairs, I was like, 'cause I saw the snow. I'm like, damn, it was, you know, a little bit harder than this. Like I was flowing now. It's a little bit, not too much. And I'm like, oh, should I go upstairs with my umbrella? And I didn't go back upstairs with the umbrella, obviously. But when I was coming around the corner, I see two people with the umbrella. I'm like, see, I know. I know I'm not bugging. Because, what the heck was that? Not me walk all the way down here and the damn bank just closed up. They didn't move the ATM from outside. I was right there. Like, come on, man. Alright, so Dollar General is up there. So I'm gonna go and keep food right here for a little bit and see what they have. I want some pastry. Hopefully I can find something with almonds or pineapple or some, I don't know. We'll see. Dollar General now. Let's see what they have because I need some drinks. I don't got nothing to drink at home but water. And I want some flavor. Oh. Look at the new bags of Lay's they got. It's cute. I like it. It's not yeah, it's not the original one. I want that stuff though. Oh, is it hot Cheetos? Flaming hot? Oh, the puffs. I don't want the puffs. I want the actual Cheetos. Ugh. Oh, right here. In a minute, walk. Since I had these, man. I took two. No, I'm gonna get two of these though. I shouldn't be eating these chips, but I'm gonna try two of them. I hit the plain one. One plain, one plastic. Or I mean, one plain, one barbecue. I said one plain. Okay. How long I've had some apple juice, but I don't know if I want this. 28 grams of sugar. Cranberry watermelon. Ooh. Dang. 20 grams of sugar in this little bottle. $3. It's $2. $25 grams of sugar. They got the dollar one up there. I gotta stop by my son this. It's got biogenic so look, food ingredient in there. I didn't even know that. I saw a video on Instagram the other day and I'm like, oh my god, that's how they make this thing, the cream. The outside, the cocoa part is, the chocolate part is real, but the cream, no, I can't give my child that no more. And I know he's gonna be mad because that's his favorite, but I hate to see my baby sad, but I gotta stop giving him that. I cannot give him that no more. Ginger ale. That's actually a good price for this. It's not bad. It's 6 of them. They say even the diet stuff is not good either, so at this point, ain't nothing good for us to eat or drink. I don't know. Can't be bothered. I tried this before. Or was it this one? No, I think it was this one. 0 sugar. I want to try this one. Even the bread got the biogenic stuff in there. The bread is not real. The bread is sponge-like. It's too much we got to do at this point on this planet. Because what can we eat? Let me see. What's in this one? See, look. Contains bioengineered food. So, I don't know. Clorox. This one smells good, but I didn't smell that one yet. Let's see. Oh, it's coconuts. Oh, I'm getting this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, because I gotta clean my bathroom out today anyways. But they're not bigger than this one though. The thing is these one up here bigger. And it's $1 too. So why they gotta have those flavors in this brand? This This is oh, this smells so good. This is so strong. $1, dollar. Look at that. This is how we do it. It's not enough. Dollar General is a place to be. Like dollar. Yeah, they got sponges right here. Is a lemon flavored sponge? Yeah, lemon scented. Right? Come now. Oh. Oh yeah, last time I had bought one of these for the toilet. It's still using, it's still there. It lasts for a long time. This is how we do it. The sheets. I actually need. My first time seeing this brand. The Wizard one is 45. Some Epsom salt right here. I'm getting this because I was gonna go to Dollar Tree and get some. And it's right here in front of my face. They got toothpicks. 500. These is right here is $1. Is this dishwashing liquid? Oh my God, it's so cute. Why do I want this? And I have this. You know, it's crazy. I have this dishwashing liquid already. I don't need it, so I'm not even gonna buy it. Stain remover. Oh wow. Okay. And these are freaking cute. I love how they look. Yeah, I'm weird like that. I be liking the shape of stuff. This one is bigger. I saw this one, and I saw another lavender one, but the one I have is lemon. So should I switch it to this one? I think I should try to switch it to this one. Eucalyptus and mint. The other one is lemon. So I have the lemon verbena oil and natural. Oh wow. That one. Look at this. It's open, but it actually does smell like lemon peel. Exactly like it. Like all of these are $1, and this one come with a case to cover the toothbrush head. To cover the toothbrush head because look and look. $1. Okay. Smell this. It smells really good. Wow. Tahiti breeze. Oh, this smells good. This smells really good. Tropical coconuts. Oh yeah. Got a first aid case. Like what? What's this? Oh look, they have this too. The vapor inhaler. I should get one of these because I bought it from Temu and I don't know where it is. I'm going to get this one. Put this toothbrush back. I don't need no toothbrush. I'm still use the one that I bought from Jamaica because I bought I had an extra one. And you know those toothbrushes are good. So I don't need no toothbrush. But it's only $1. See, look at this. They got the honey stuff. Cough depressant. Like if you get sick. I'm about to Kimani. Because I even gave Kimani one of these too. I bought, not this one, but the one I bought from Dollar Tree. from not Dollar Tree, from Timu, and I bought it was two, and I bought him, and I gave him one. I think it was three. I even gave his father one too. They don't know where it is. Like, what's this? Oh, this is Roman oil. Oh wow. I don't want to open it too much. I just want to see how it looks. Oh. Okay. Coconut oil. It's a Thai coconut, so it's not bad. Got band-aids. I bought a first aid from Dollar Tree the other day already, so I don't even need this. It says 24 band-aids for $1. 3-in-1 cotton set. This is a deal. These masks they got for $1 and $2. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, collagen. Got the rose water right here. They got more up here. Up over here. This eye patch, one pair. Okay, let's go. We out. I've been here too long. Hey y'all, today's Sunday. Wait for the A3 to go to like I forgot my casket. I know what I'm going to do this year. God is good. Man. God is amazing. Oh, that's a seat. Oh.
There's one train on 918 between 137th Street and 160th.
I have to come on the 8 on the C Street because I don't know what's going on with the 8. And I have to see my child today. Like that's yeah.
This is 135th Street.
What's that now? Mine is the last stop. See, if I had waited for the A train, I would have been late and not be able to see my child. I'm glad I went with my institution, man. Because I don't got time for I gotta take the shuttle bus. Please. It's the only station I see this at. I don't see it nowhere else. It's cold. Alright, I gotta take over. It's snowing. Whew. Oh, I just missed the. No. I just missed the bus. Yeah, that was the bus I just missed. Damn. Oh, man. Shit, bro. Should I walk? I might have to walk. I can't be late. A long ass walk though. But I got this. I usually do it anyway. When I go to the bank over there. So I don't know how long that bus gonna take to load. And then when it load, it don't leave right away. So I got like 20 minutes. I can't wait. I cannot miss that van. So I got 12 minutes and I'm like 2 blocks away. But I gotta go to the dollar store right now because I need some chapstick. Because I forgot my chapstick. And I need it right now. Go in here real quick. Get something for these lips and right back out. Morning. How much is the lipstick?
This
How much?
one.
How much is it? $2? For this too?
Yeah.
Oh. That's the only one you have? Oh, how much is that?
$2.
All of them is $2?
Yeah. See.
Oh my god. Okay. I'll be done. I'm sorry. I got two of them home. I'm not buying no chapstick for $2. I'm not doing it. I already go to the Dollar Tree when I reach out there. It's a 99-cent store, and yet it's $2. Make that make sense. Y'all bugging. Not doing it. You know the regular lip gloss like back in the day, like the flavorful one, the colorful ones, the oily ones. That's $2 too. All of them is $2. Like, come on, you're doing so much. The hell? Not the wait until I get out there. I can wait. Oh, I'm in the deli next door. It's very Danish. Put in there regular. It's not. I don't know how much it is. I want a banana too. Oh, they sold these in here. Look at that. Oh wow, I didn't know this. There's still these stuff in here. I didn't know they sold these in the deli. I'm gonna up and go. Somebody else. I just got over here. It's almost 3 o'clock. It's almost 3 p.m. Literally got over here 2:50. It's snowing. Oh my god. And then this nigga, he didn't drop me off at the McDonald's right here. I mean the KFC right here. Brought me all the way down there and I gotta walk back up. Like, they're so extra. I hate when people be so damn difficult, bro. You could drop me off right here. I'm hungry. I want some Wingstop. I'm about to go order my food. Go get my papa. By the time we go down there, it should be ready like last time. He ate lunch already. He told us he ate already. So, but I want some wings. And I know he's gonna want some wings, so I'm gonna give me a 10-piece. But he's gonna want some. I know my child. I know my child. Oops. Wait, Papa. This would be my jacket, not your pants. Let's go. Walmart.
Yeah.
No Oreos today, okay?
Oreo.
No Oreo.
This is Daycon.
Papa.
Huh?
No Oreo.
No Oreo.
No more Oreo, okay? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You get Chips Ahoy?
Chips Ahoy. Oreo.
No Oreo, Papa.
Okay. Okay.
Papa.
It's okay. It's okay.
Papa. Mama can't buy you no more Oreo, okay?
Oreo.
It's not good for you.
Not good. Oreo. Yeah.
No Oreo, Papa. No. 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 I'm not looking serious. I'm serious though. I'm not buying no more of that. So. Whew, my phone is acting up just now. The battery is low, so I gotta get a charger from Dollar Tree because I bought the wrong charger. So I thought my phone was gonna shut off. But it didn't. So we're gonna go to Wingstop, go get some wings. I see they have hot honey rub. I never tried it one before. I think that's new, and another one fiery lime, but I don't see the fiery lime on the website. So I'm just gonna get that one. This is not what I wanted, bro. I rushed and ordered the food because I didn't want the phone to die, and look, I got boneless. And the fries. I told them light seasoning because they be doing too much with the seasoning on their fries over here. So whatever, we're gonna just eat it because I don't got time to exchange nothing. Just let me wash his hands. Look at Dollar Tree got black African soap. You know I'm getting one, right? Of course. my stuff right here. I have to get the charger because my phone is about to die right now. But we're about to leave. We're about to go to the Walmart. It's a massager. Okay. Scalp massager. Alright, so I'm gonna get one of this because I'm gonna mix this with the powder one. Like I need a container to mix all my powder stuff together for laundry. Yeah. I'm gonna think I should get one more of this one. I love these little sets from Walmart where they got the bowls, they got the plate, and they got the bowl, another bowl right here. Like I just took up another gray one because I bought a blue one last time. I have 3 of these already, so I'm not even gonna buy no more of that. But and they got the cups. It's a good little set. I like it. It's cute. See, this one I got. The gray one. You get 1 cup, 1 set. Yeah. What's these? The shelf. Floating shelves. Oh, okay. We got these for $1. I only pick up 2. I don't think I ever tried these before. The lollipop. Olipop, I should say. I said lollipop. I think I tried this one already. But I don't really like grapes, so I'm gonna just go with these 2. Just gonna get 2. That's it. She's been drinking no damn soda. That's it. So it's a carb so far. I bought these 2. I don't know. I low-key didn't want to buy this either. I'm not even gonna hold you, but so stressful. Oh, what is this? so Valentine's Day. Fruit Loops. Listen, we waiting for this Uber. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be eating this because I'm hungry. It smells good, so it better taste good. It's cute. Huh? Try this? Try this together. Let's try it. It tastes good. Wait, the sanitize your hand. The sanitize mine. Ooh, look at it. Okay, we gotta I'm gonna fight it. Remember that though. It's good. Nothing sweet. So, oh my god, it's good. Really good. We're going to be forever. It's snowing. I'm waiting for the longest Uber right now. Like it? Yep. Once he start pinching it like that, like he don't want it to finish. It's not too sweet. Okay. Wait, stop going about having real napkins. You got paper towels. Get napkins. But they don't want, I guess they don't want people wasting their napkins. And they don't got no garbage bin. Is that always stuff only? I think it's only this one over here. Because I'm like, why they never have this garbage bin? Now you put it back in my pocket. Like, why people have garbage? I gotta be taking out the trash with me and bring it out here. Lucky I don't leave it on the table. Like, why you don't have garbage? That's weird. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. So I'm cold. So this is my stuff I got at Walmart. I didn't buy a lot of stuff, just little things that I needed. So two bags of potatoes, scallion, avocados. I just picked this up. I didn't really, never had it before. So I'm just like, let me try it. I don't know if I had to buy it January. I hope it's not got to buy it generic food. It does. Oh my god. Okay. Black beans, yogurt. It's a little snack. I want to bake something like bread or stuff, so I bought that. Oh, it was taking money. I get my baby for the one. Tortillas. I got peanuts. I got me my peanut porridge now. Plantain. The aroma for laundry. Okay, this one. Okay. The cup set that I bought. The place that I said I meant. The place set. The chamomile tea, cause chamomile tea. Oh baby, I love it. And yeah, mouthwash. And that's it. That's all I bought. I didn't buy nothing. Just from Walmart. You know, this came out to like $40 something. Yeah, cause I separated mines. I did all Kimani grocery first, and then I did mines, and this is it. And it came out to $46, which is crazy. I'm about to eat one of these right now. I got my tea right here. This was the chamomile green tea. Yeah, so I'm gonna drink that with one of this. I'm gonna take a nap because I'm tired. Today's Martin Luther King Day, so I ain't working today. So, I just got home like 30 minutes ago. So I opened the door for some incense. Cause yeah, bad mind and negative energy. Nobody got time for that. Yeah. It's been a minute since I burned incense. Cause I didn't see it at my Dollar Tree. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get some from Walmart. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go eat. Oh, I take one of this when I'm eating. And take a nap. I'm tired, bro. Shower first, then take a nap. That's the end of the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.